through combined lateral and anterolateral portals, the rotator cuff tear. Dimensions, configuration, and tendon mobility under tension are evaluated. The tendon footprint is meticulously prepared using an arthroscopic bone cutter, sometimes followed by microfracture all penetration into the footprint bed to create multiple perforations until punctate bleeding is observed. Primary anchor insertion commences with a triple-loaded suture anchor, positioned at a 45 angle toward the rotator cuff footprint, immediately adjacent to the articular margin at the tear center. All 6 suture strands from 3 sutures are sequentially passed through the rotator cuff tissue over 10 mm medial to the lateral tear edge, ensuring equidistant strand distribution. Under lateral portal visualization, strands are tagged number 1 to number 6, sequentially from posterior to anterior. Subsequently, strand number 3 is lasso looped around number 2. The strand of number 3 is retrieved posterior to number 2, creating a half-hitch configuration. Then the free end of number 3 is dragged through the half loop to make a lasso loop. The loop is then tensioned anteriorly while straightening strand number 2. An identical lasso loop is replicated using strand number 4 around number 5. Knot sequencing proceeds as follows: paired strands number 1, number 2, paired strands number 5, number 6, and paired strands number 3, number 4. The medial or lateral edge knots are cinched toward their respective directions. Finally, the central knot is secured at the tear apex, a technically demanding step requiring arthroscopic expertise to achieve maxima tendon compression. A final lateral row anchor is placed at the lateral edge of greater tuberosity, opposing the tear, capturing all 6 strands to complete footprint coverage.